Susan. Happy birthday. Thank you kay Gana-Gana. And magpakasikan ka pa. Ay ninay nga po mo. Lagyuna i Alonzo. Yenny, good health lagi kaya ka. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you. I miss you. Mami Susan, I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Susan.
Happy birthday, Grandma
Susan.
We love you.
We love you.
Regards to everybody from the Reyes family.
Hello, Mami Susan. Happy birthday. Kamusta na ka? Miss you. I'm sending all my love here in Canada. Ako pa rin makauli, pero hopefully one day makapunta ako to celebrate na with your birthday. I wish po in good health kaya ka. I hope you are surrounded now with good food, laughter, and people that loves you there. Panay ako pong atsukeni para kaya ka. God bless po and ingat po lagi. I love you, Mami Susan.
Hello. Happy 85th birthday to you, my dear Aching Susan. I am happy and privileged to be part of this special moment in your life. Thank you to your daughter Beth for reaching out and remembering me. Yes, all these years we kept that bond of friendship, that gift of friendship intact since we met in Don Bosco when you served as one of the PTA officers in the school. And so to me, I look up at you, not just my beautiful Kumare, but I look up to you as my elder sister, a confidant, an inspiration, and a very special person close to my heart. And so on this special day of yours, I am sending you my warmest birthday greetings, that God will continue to bless you with good health, longevity, love, peace, joy, and everything that your heart desires. So, enjoy your special moment with all your loved ones, family members, relatives, and friends around you. Stay well, stay safe and well, and hope to see you in the near future. Remember, you are a special person close to my heart. Take care. God bless you. Love you. Bye for now.
Happy birthday, dear Toots, on your 85th birthday. We are sending you abundance of love, health, happiness, peace, and prosperity. One of the best parts of life is family, and I am thankful you are one of my dear cousins. I hope your birthday is just like you, fun, sweet, and full of love. Thank you for living your life in a way that makes every day worth celebrating. The world is a better place because of you. I hope you have a very amazing birthday party. Here is to a year filled with new adventures, exciting opportunities, and lots of love. Happy birthday to an amazing cousin and friend. I wish your next 365 days are best yet. I hope your laughs, love, and memories are extra special today and years to come. To my wonderful cousin, Toots, happy birthday, and I hope you have a fabulous celebration. Life is like a fine wine. You are only getting better with age. May your special day be sweet and spicy, just like you, dear cousin. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Always be the sweetheart you always have been.
Happy birthday! Hi, Susan. Happy birthday. I miss your party. Enjoy and have good health. And more. Happy birthday.
Happy 85 birthday to an amazing relative, Susan. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, good health. May this milestone birthday mark the beginning of an incredible year ahead, full of joy and cherished moment with family and friends. Your life is a testament to the power of love, resilience, and determination. Remember that age is just a number. Your spirit, wisdom, and heart are what truly matter. Keep shining. Happy birthday, Susan. God bless.
Hey! Eto na naman tayo. Dumating na naman yung ating inaasahan na araw sa ating buhay. Ninang, wishing you a year filled with love, success, and all your heart desires. Cheers to another year of adventures. Happy birthday, Ninang. Nana, ingat lang po tayo. We have to take care of ourselves, our health, para naman po maganda ang takbo ng ating buhay. Kaya pero lang ang kami rin po dito nag-iingat, pero now that it's your big day, enjoy the rest of the day of your big day, Ninang. Sana masayang-masaya kayo, Ninang. So, ganoon lang po. Maraming po salamat, Ninang. Kita-kita tayo uli sa mga darating na araw. At gusto pang bumati ng aking bitter half, Ninang. Ito na po siya, Ninang. Babati naman po ang aking half bitter.
Hello po. Happy birthday po. Sana bigyan ko kayo ng long life. And God bless you. See you soon. Thank you po.
Okay. Yung nakikita nyo, Ninang, kwan yan. Yun ang bunga. Bunga ng pagmamahal ko kay Hinday, Ang dami, oranges. Sige po, Ninang. Ganun na lang po, Ninang. Bye. Kumusta na lang sa mga apo dyan, sa mga anak, mga kapatid ko dyan. Salamat. Bye.
Po, Ate Susan, happy 85th birthday. Nawa po ay patuloy kayong gabayan ni God at patuloy na palakasin at makita pa yung mas marami pang magiging mga apo sa tuhod. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po, Ate Susan. Wishing you all the best. Good luck po and good health. We love you po.
Ayun. Kumusta rin po sa mga Gopes family? Sobrang mababait. Kumusta po? Salamat po ulit. Okay, bye-bye.
Hello po, Tita Susan. Happy birthday po. Maya pa oras po kay kayo. At dakal-dakal po salamat kay Binyay pong guidance. para po kayong pa mag-praise sa pa mga di tamo po kayong grupo tamo po kayong handmaid of the Lord. Karagan ko po kapasalamatan hanggang ini po kalwatana po kayong grupo patuloy tamo pong makapangadi at makapag-praise kay nga pong Ginoo. I wish ko po na kayong birthday po yining birthday po maging lalo po pong healthy at malago po palagi. Ito po dakala salamat po pasibayo kayong pa mag-invite yung kanako kayong birthday yung pero po ko makaratang muli po ating kasangkanan. Pasibayo po, happy birthday po. I love you po. God bless po. And thank you so much po.
Happy birthday, Ate Susan. Si Bobit ito. Ikinagagal akong i-celebrate ka ngayon on your very special day. God has touched your life in so many ways. Sana ngayon at lahat ng bukas ay punong-puno ng kaligayahan at mga blessings. 85th year is a chance to honor you for the way you lived, for the person you are, and for the many gifts you've given all of us and the whole wide world. Happy birthday, ang minamahal kong pinsan. Maligayang kaarawan. Thank you.
Hello, Loli. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. And good health. And see you soon.
Enjoy la. See you soon with your apo.
المحطة القادمة هي
Happy birthday na. Love you.
The next station is Energy.